Learn the alphabet sounds. The idea of phonics is that you teach your students the various English sounds, then the letters they correspond to. The advantage of this over simply teaching the alphabet is that once they have mastered the main sounds, they can then read many English words. The problem with traditional phonics is that if you have a printed book, you can't hear the sounds. Similarly, if you have an audio cassette, you cannot see the letters. So that's why I came up with this page where you can hear the sounds, see the letters, and have full control over which ones to study.
Click the letters below to know the sounds.
A, apple. B, balloon. C, car. D, dragonfly. E, elephant. F, fox. G, guitar. H, hen. I, ice cream. J, jellyfish. K, kettle. L, lion. M, monster. N, numbers. O, owl. P, pencils. Q, queen. R, robo. S, sunshine. T, train. U, umbrella. V, vegetables. W, walrus. X, X-ray. Y, yak. Z, zip. Select the vowels. In this game, you have the vowels with some other letters. You select the correct vowels and hear the sounds. Move your mouse over the letter to hear them pronounced. Click the vowels only. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. E, I, O, U. A, 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 E, I, O, U. A,
I, O, U,
A,
I,
O, A,
I,
A, A.
I.
Excellent. Good work.